And now all we need to do is just wait for the train to start. From what I believe, the train stops at the station for, well, I'm guessing a few minutes really. So, and now I think I'm just gonna go give you like an overview of what it looks like inside the train. So. Oh, and by the way, if you're a passenger, then up there is this thing which shows you the time and also how fast the train is going. So you know while you're riding the train how fast it is going, which is it's a handy feature. All right, the door has closed, so I think it's nearly time to go. And by the way, next to every window is a blind thing. So I guess if you're at night and you want to get some sleep, you can use this thing to block out all the light from the outside. So yeah, it is sort of a premium experience, I guess. Well, I think it's quite good, you know. And now we're just gonna wait for the train to start. Hopefully soon. Oh, I can feel some movement. Oh, we're rising a bit. Yes. Yeah, and there we go. So now you can see the speed is increasing, and there we go. And now we're going at 100 kilometers per hour. As you can see there, 111 now. And also because there's no friction, because there's no wheel rubbing against the rail, the benefits of the maglev is actually relatively quiet because obviously there's no friction making sound. So that's quite nice. Wow, this is quite fast. We're going at nearly 200 kilometers per mile now. It just feels super fast, but 200 kilometers per hour is nowhere near the fastest speed that the maglev can reach. Now we're near 350, so yeah, 340, 250, 250 right now. So as you can see, this is quite fast. And now as you can see, it's over 300 kilometers per hour now. So this is really fast now, but the maglev can still go faster. $350 kilometers per mile right now, and we're slowly crawling up to 400 kilometers per hour. Now we are at 400 kilometers per hour, as you can see there, 402, 406. So this is 400. So this is a 400 kilometers per hour. As you can see, it's quite loud. That's because, at 400 kilometers per hour, you can expect the air resistance to be massive. And I think the air resistance is what's mainly making the noise at this speed. As you can see, it's going super fast. I think this is maglev at its fastest which is 400, which is around 430. That's its top speed. So as you can see, it's fluctuating between 430 and 431, and soon it's gonna dip down. But let's catch the moment right now. This is the Maglev train at its absolute fastest. Okay, and now its speed is finally decreasing. So as you can see, it's slowly going down. Honestly, this actually gives me a little bit of a feeling of riding a roller coaster because whoa. So that was the intercepting train, the train that's going the opposite way, and when the two trains are going at that fast, it's actually quite a bit scary hearing the two going past together that quickly and that loudly. So now we're going down to about 300 kilometers per hour, but this is still quite fast. But yeah, as I can say, because the Maglev train doesn't have to ride on perfectly flat rail. Right now it's actually a bit like twisted to the left, so it kind of feels. Sometimes it actually feels like riding a roller coaster, except this is much faster than a roller coaster. This is like a roller coaster on steroid, really, super fast. And we're just going down to about 200 kilometers per hour right now, so it's slowly slowing down. In fact, the Maglev train has to slow down halfway through the journey to simply basically just make a full stop at the station, because that's how fast it goes. That needs to de-accelerate halfway through the journey. That's how fast it goes. Just going down about, it's going close to 100 now. You can see, let me just show you. Yeah, 110. And it's going down, and there is the first site of the Pudong International Airport. And we're near the station now. Anytime it's gonna stop. In fact, probably here. Yeah, we're in the station now, and soon it's gonna make a complete full stop. And there we are. There we are. The Maglev train is explosive, it's exciting, it's really fun and enjoyable. And if you ever come to Shanghai, then I recommend going on this.